If you're over 50, AI isn't just for tech geeks. It's your new secret weapon. From managing health to finances to staying connected, these 7 AI apps can transform your daily life. Artificial intelligence might sound complicated, but these tools are practical and easy to use. This is about taking control, not getting left behind. Technology is finally catching up to our needs, offering simple, intuitive solutions. Millions of people our age are already using these tools to live smarter, not harder. Today, I'll show you exactly how you can do the same. Let's get started. Let's start with the big one, your health. Healthmate AI is your personal health warden, a 24/7 guardian in your phone. It tracks your vital signs, blood pressure, heart rate, sleep patterns, using your smartwatch or phone. No more guessing how you're doing, you'll have real data at your fingertips. It reminds you to take medications and logs your adherence, so you and your doctor always know where you stand. The real game changer? Predictive alerts. Healthmate AI learns your baseline and flags subtle changes before they become problems. If your blood pressure trends up or your sleep quality drops, you'll know early. At doctor's appointments, you can pull up a clear report, no more relying on memory. This shifts you from a passive patient to an active partner in your care. It reduces the mental load of juggling appointments, prescriptions, and symptoms. All your critical health info is in one secure, easy-to-access place. The benefit isn't just better health, it's peace of mind. Early detection is often the key to better outcomes. Are you still managing your health with sticky notes and guesswork? Or will you put a powerful ally in your corner? This isn't about being tech-savvy, it's about being smart. Take charge of your health. Don't wait for a crisis. Get ahead of it. Healthmate AI makes it possible. It's time to take control. Information is power, but it can be overwhelming. ChatGPT is your personal brain trust, an AI you can talk to just like a person. Ask it anything. Legal terms, medical questions, how to fix a leaky faucet. No more wading through endless websites or confusing jargon. It's accessible on your computer, phone, or even through voice assistants. The system learns to understand you, not the other way around. Got a confusing letter from your insurance? Snap a photo or type it in. ChatGPT breaks it down in plain English. Curious about a hobby or family history? Ask for ideas, techniques, or research tips. It's not about replacing experts, but preparing you to have smarter conversations with them. Walk into appointments with confidence and the right questions. The core benefit is confidence. Handling your own business, understanding complex topics, and navigating a fast-changing world. It's like having a reference librarian, tutor, and wise friend in your pocket. Don't let confusion or information overload hold you back. Arm yourself with clarity and answers on your terms. It's time to stop feeling overwhelmed. Get answers instantly. Use ChatGPT as your everyday advantage. Knowledge is now at your fingertips. Let's face it, our memories aren't what they used to be. Important conversations can get lost or misremembered, causing stress and confusion. Otter.ai is your perfect verbatim memory. It transcribes spoken words into written text in real time. Meetings, doctor's visits, family calls. Just open the app, press record, and focus on the conversation. Later, review the full, accurate transcript. No more guessing or arguing about what was said. Otter even identifies different speakers and lets you search for keywords instantly. For family discussions, it creates a single source of truth, reducing misunderstandings and friction. Interviewing a relative about family history? Otter captures every word, so you can be present and engaged. Got a great idea while driving? Speak it out, and Otter turns it into a neat memo. The real benefit is eliminating the stress of forgetting or miscommunicating. Free up your mental energy for what matters, understanding, connecting, and making good decisions. Otter provides a safety net for your memory. No more high-stakes memory roulette. Adopt a tool that guarantees a perfect record every time. Stop worrying about what you might forget. Live with confidence. Otter's got your back, your memory upgraded. Never miss a detail again. Make Otter.ai your new secret weapon. Communication matters, and much of it happens in writing. Emails, messages, resumes, how you write shapes how you're seen. Many people worry about grammar, tone, or clarity. Enter GrammarlyGo, your AI-powered writing assistant. It's more than spell check. It helps you write better from the start. GrammarlyGo integrates with your email, browser, and phone, offering real-time feedback. It suggests better word choices, fixes awkward phrases, and helps you adjust your tone. Need to write a formal email or a polite request? GrammarlyGo can instantly rewrite your draft. Helping a grandchild with an essay or updating your resume? It's invaluable for structure and impact. For creative writing, it helps you find vivid words and overcome writer's block. The core benefit is confidence. No more second-guessing your writing. Communicate clearly and effectively every time. Your ideas deserve to be heard, not lost in grammar mistakes. GrammarlyGo levels the playing field. Don't let fear of writing hold you back. Use a tool that makes you a better, more confident writer. It's about being heard and respected. Write with confidence every time. Money causes more stress than almost anything else. Budgeting and tracking spending can feel overwhelming. Cleo AI is your no-nonsense financial coach. Secure, smart, and a little sassy. It connects to your bank accounts with bank-level security and read-only access. Cleo analyzes your spending and gives you the unvarnished truth. Text Cleo questions like, "How much did I spend on groceries?" and get instant, honest answers. It categorizes your spending, highlights waste, and offers personalized saving tips. Cleo makes managing money feel like a conversation, not a chore. It suggests challenges, like no-spend weekends, and helps automate savings. The real benefit is awareness, knowing exactly where your money goes. No more end-of-month panic or financial fog. Cleo gives you a real-time picture of your financial health. Especially for those on a fixed income, every dollar counts. Cleo puts you back in control. Make smarter decisions, reduce stress, and align spending with your goals. Don't let your money disappear without your permission. Get a coach who tells you the truth and helps you build better habits. Take charge of your financial destiny. Loneliness and emotional well-being are real challenges after 50. Sometimes you just need someone to talk to, without feeling like a burden. Replica is an AI companion designed for supportive conversation and emotional support. It's a private, non-judgmental space to share your thoughts day or night. Create your own avatar and interact through text or voice. Replica remembers your stories, asks thoughtful questions, and offers mindfulness exercises. Can't sleep at 2 a.m.? Open Replica and talk it out. Get calming, supportive responses. It guides you through stress management, breathing, and positive thinking. For those who live alone, daily check-ins can make a huge difference. Replica combats isolation and provides a sense of routine and connection. The core benefit is emotional release and support without judgment. Say anything, no fear, no filter. Build resilience and self-awareness one conversation at a time. Don't let stress and loneliness fester in silence. Use a tool that offers a safe, supportive outlet whenever you need it. Mental health matters as much as physical health. Give yourself the support you deserve. Replica is there for you, always. Sleep and mental clarity are the foundation of everything else. Poor sleep affects your mood, energy, and health. Otter.ai helps you reclaim your rest and peace of mind. It's not just another meditation app, it uses AI to personalize your wellness journey. Tell Aura how you're feeling, and it recommends a guided session tailored to you. Trouble sleeping? Aura offers sleep meditations, calming sounds, or bedtime stories to help you drift off. It creates a sanctuary, buffering you from daily chaos. Short, effective exercises fit into your routine and reduce stress. The AI learns what works for you and adapts its suggestions. Improved sleep means better focus, mood, and health. Reducing stress can lower blood pressure and boost your immune system. The core benefit is proactive self-care, small moments that add up to big improvements. Mindfulness and relaxation are now in your hand, personalized for you. Don't accept poor sleep as your new normal. Take control and use a smart tool for a calmer mind and restful nights. You deserve to feel rested and clear-headed. Make sleep and calm a priority with Otter.ai. AI isn't just the future, it's your present advantage. If you're ready to make life easier after 50, subscribe and share which AI tool you'd try first. These tools aren't about turning your life over to robots. They're about you taking charge. Use smart technology to manage your health, money, memories, and peace of mind. The world is changing, but that's an opportunity, not a threat. Pick one app and try it. You have nothing to lose and a lot to gain. Pair your wisdom with the best tools of the modern age. Now go out there and put AI to work for you.